So many of us are now working from home, and it can be very hard on you if you are the business owner. I have made this tutorial so that even someone that is not technical can follow along and configure remote desktop solutions. Remote desktop solutions cost thousands of dollars, even for the smallest of businesses. Servers specialized in DAS have to be purchased, storage and licenses provisioned, even if all of it will sit idle. Do not pay thousands of dollars for a work-at-home solution. Amazon Workspaces are a pay-as-you-go solution. You don't have to pay for virtual desktops that are not being used. That just makes sense. Let's get into the configuration so you could see how easy it is. For this video, I'll pick Quick Setup as this will get you up and running the fastest. Select the free tier eligible Windows 10, then enter the username, first name, last name, and email address of your user. Here you can also create additional users, or you can do that later. We will only create one user for now. And that is it. Wait for about 20 minutes. For now, the dashboard will show that the workstation is in the pending state. Until we reach the available state on the workspace, we can take a look at the directory that is created for you. While we wait, I'd like to thank the first 100 subscribers to my channel. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. There is a small sideways triangle that will provide info on your Amazon workspace and user information. You as the admin or business owner can track usage as well, or simply delete this workspace if an employee is terminated. You will receive an email with 3 steps needed in order to access the Amazon Workspace Virtual Desktop. Step 1 is to complete the user profile and download the Workspaces client. Step 2, launch the client and enter your specific registration code. And step 3, log in with the new password. Click on the URL to finish setting up your personal account and make sure the password follows the requirements listed. One of the amazing things about Amazon Workspaces is that there is an app or a client for all types of devices, from iPads to Fire tablets to Linux computers. Imagine telling your work-at-home employee that he can now use a $50 Fire tablet to run a high-speed Windows 10 desktop.
But wait, that is not all.
In just a few moments, I will show you something even more impressive. I'm on a Windows 10 laptop, so I will install the Windows client. The installation is straightforward and only takes a few seconds.
Please take a moment and hit that subscribe button.
We can now launch the Workspaces client. Let's refer back to our email and get the registration code. The registration code will be found in step number 2. Just copy and paste the registration code. Then enter your username. The username is found in step number 3. The email will include all the details needed except for the password.
Please make sure you remember your password.
There you have it, a fully functional desktop. You can resize it, maximize it, you can install anything you want. By default, you will have Firefox and Internet Explorer installed. So one of the first things that I do is to install Chrome and Notepad++, as I can't be without these 2 applications. Even though I did not do so, but you can log into Chrome and your bookmarks will sync and be there every time you use this virtual desktop. Notepad++ is great for jotting down notes without having to save the files. You can have many tabs open, close it, and that works flawlessly in Amazon Workspaces. Remember I said I was going to show you something impressive? Well, here it is. You might be concerned that a remote desktop is slower than your work laptop. But let's find out. Let's see if your internet is better than what's provided on a workspace. Let's run a speed test. Holy smokes, that is blazing fast. Do you see the upload speeds? That is unheard of. Can you do that from home or the office? I bet you can. I'm going to show you a little something else in a few minutes. Now let's compare this to my home internet connection. I hate paying for internet service, so I always get the least expensive package. I don't need blazing fast service at home, but I do want my virtual desktop to be super fast. In addition, I can get away with having a slower desktop or simply an inexpensive tablet and run a super decked out Amazon Workspace virtual desktop. My home upload speeds are not even 5 megs. It's ridiculous, but it serves the purpose at home. But how impressive my internet speeds are on my workspace. Remember I said I was going to show you another interesting thing about Amazon Workspaces? Well, here it is. If your employees are doing video editing, instead of supplying them a mega expensive laptop that they will surely not take care of, you can provide an Amazon Workspace and run the video editing software there. I use Camtasia, and as you could see, it installs perfectly. Just think what you can do with faster rendering and those sick upload speeds. Camtasia runs super smooth on Amazon Workspaces. Running a virtual desktop specifically for video rendering has cut my rendering times by at least 60%. Plus, I don't have to close all my applications and walk away from my personal laptop until the rendering finishes. No, I can continue working on something else. Your employees will have increased productivity by using an Amazon Workspace. I hope this tutorial has helped you, the business owner or the techie, to create your own DaaS or desktop as a service. Amazon provides new accounts with 2 months of free workspaces. Why wouldn't you at least try them out? If you still need help, feel free to contact me. I will walk you through it. If you are looking to be a cloud engineer, architect, or sysadmin, remember the 5 steps of success. Practice, 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 and then practice some more. If you feel you have learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be making way more videos and tutorials.